Hi, welcome back to my channel. This is Luis. Our topic for today is about the difference of voice and non-voice account. I'm going to share my experiences in working in a voice and non-voice account. But before discussing that, feel free to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell in order to get the latest updates of my videos, as well as share this one to your family and friends. To give you a background about myself, I am not that 100% good in English. However, even if I still manage to be part of the business processing outsourcing, or simply called the BPO or call center. I started my career in a voice account under an American telecommunication company for 3.5 months. I didn't go that far because that's my first BPO experience in which I've encountered culture shock in working in the BPO. Then I transferred to still a voice account under an Australian telecommunication company for 3.5 months again. I thought I continued this work, however, due to COVID-19, we forced to stop. Then after a few months, I transferred to a non-voice account as an email and chat support of UK shopping since July 8 up to the present. Technically, either voice or non-voice account, you have a background in English language. Even if you're supporting with an American, Australian, or European cultures, English language is still the number one priority. There's no issue to most of the Filipinos in speaking in English because majority of the Filipinos knows how to speak in English. When applying for voice account, either for telecommunication, shopping, or travel customer service, you must be fluent in English. Technically, when I was supporting in an American culture, I find trouble in speaking because majority of the Americans cannot understand my accent because their slang is way different from us. However, most of the tenured agents in an American voice account can manage to do that, and history claimed that I ended at the signing because I do not know how to converse well with the Americans. Majority of the Americans are hard spoken. Even if my superior said in order to practice the right accent of the Americans, I have to watch American movies. I do understand American movies, however, when conversing with them. Next question, please. Then, on July, it opens its doors to a non-voice account with a work-at-home assignment. I started the training as an email and chat support and continue to work up to the present. After the training, I ended up assisting emails 10 to 15 customers a day. Then August, 16 to 25 emails including chats. September, I ended 26 to 35 emails including chat and social media. Then by October, 36 to 60 emails including chat and social media a day. And I do not know how many emails including chat and social media a day on November. Being an email and chat support representative in an online shopping, I am assisting the customers regarding their delivery or the issues, payments and discount issues, returns and refund issues, as well as technical issues. At the start, conversing literally is way far from talking. In voice, you're speaking and listening, while for non-voice, you're analyzing the response by alphanumeric. So, as all folks, hope you gain from my short shares here. Until next time, see you in my next episodes. Again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, as well as share this video. Thanks and stay safe. Bye.